All right, here's the puzzle. Um, well, these are twangs. Now, twangs is just a made-up word. We're just calling these letters twangs. These are not twangs. All right, so these M, G, J, X, R, those are not twangs. And then the question is, which of these are twangs? T, P, Z, H, or Q? All right, maybe more than one. So, like I've said before with these puzzles, don't watch this unless you've really given it a good try. Because it's hard to give you even a hint on this one. You have to, but I will give you a hint. It really doesn't have anything to do with like the position of the letters in the alphabet. There's really no math involved or anything. We just want to find some sort of common attribute between these letters and these letters, or well, common attributes between these letters that are not not attributes of these letters. Okay, so and then we can, once we figure out what these letters have in common, then we can figure out which of these letters is a twang. Okay. So so I'll give you a hint. It doesn't have, like I said, it doesn't have anything to do with math. It doesn't, and it doesn't require any, counting or position, finding the position of the alphabet. So it has to do with how these letters are constructed. Okay, so hopefully I didn't give it away too much. You can work with that. I actually got this problem from a friend of mine. She emailed it out to an email group that I'm on, and I like puzzles, so I was trying to figure this out, and I was I was going through the alphabet and numbering the alphabet and trying to find some relationship between where these letters fall in the alphabet. I was trying to look at their corresponding lowercase letters. I don't remember what all I was trying to figure out, but I ended up just setting the problem aside and just saying, oh, forget it, I don't have time for this. And then I was actually washing the windows. It was fall. I was getting the windows ready for winter. I was washing the windows, and and all of a sudden the answer came to me. And I wasn't even really trying to think about it. It just was kind of rolling around in my mind, and it came to me. So what it was. So, and that's a good feeling. Now, this was actually a friend of mine sent it out, and it was a problem that I think he was probably about third grade at the time. So this was like a third grade problem, But here I am. I'm all excited because I figured it out. So I tell you, it's a good feeling, and no matter what your age, to figure out puzzles like this. So, but it's always better to figure them out yourself. So, give it as much of a try as you feel comfortable. But, and also once you've done a few of them, it gets easier. It really does. Whether it's your brain developing, you just develop confidence and more persistence. It's probably the combination of things. I'm not sure what it is, but they do get easier over time. So, here's the answer. All right? All of these letters, these twangs, are constructed with 3 straight lines, all right? F is 1, 2, 3. A is 1, 2, 3. N, 1, 2, 3. Y, 1, 2, 3. I, 1, 2, 3. Okay? All of those letters are constructed with 3 straight lines. None of these letters, M has 4 straight lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. G has a curved line. J is curved. X is basically the crossing of 2 straight lines. And then again, R has a curve. So none of these are constructed with 3 straight lines. So the only letters down here which are twangs are Z and H, right? Z is 1, 2, 3, and H, 1, 2, 3. 3 straight lines. None of these other ones, Q has a rounded part, P is curved, and T is 2 straight lines. So the answer is that Z and H are also twangs. So there you go.